Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use an under eye stone to reduce bags under your eyes. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is one example of an under eye stone. You can get these in many different colors, many different shapes, many different sizes, and many different types of stonery. Okay, stonework, stonery, I don't know what the word is, but essentially there are so many different variations of it, and some people even just use regular flat rocks that they can find that are roughly this size, okay? It all works, basically. So there are a few things that you can do with this. First and foremost, I recommend that you make this cold. So put it in the fridge, at a low temperature fridge. You want to put it in a low temperature fridge and leave it there for at least half an hour, because that will really cool it down. And once it's cold, it's going to do a better job at moving the blood flow and compressing those under eye bags and puffiness, okay? So once it's cold, the first thing that you want to do is place it under your eyes, right over here, and you want to place it there when it's cold and hold it there with just a little bit of pressure for about 15 seconds in each section. So you want to go here on the inside, 15 seconds, over here in the middle, 15 seconds, and then over here, 15 seconds on the outside, okay? Once again, 15 seconds in the middle on this eye, 15 seconds, sorry, on the inside, in the middle, 15 seconds, and 15 seconds on the outside, like that. A little bit of pressure. You don't want to apply a ton of pressure, because then you can cause, some discoloration even further of under the eye. You want to apply a little bit of pressure, just enough as if you were like pressing a button with your finger, okay? An easy to press button. So essentially you want to apply a little bit of pressure, okay? So hold it there for compression, okay? For some cold compress. The next thing that you can do is take it, start from the inside and slide it outwards to move the blood outside. Now what happens is you get bags under your eyes because there's an accumulation of water, liquid, and blood over there. So you want to flow the blood outside, towards the outside, to pull that puffiness away from your eyes, okay? Essentially. So, you get these things because if you have a salty diet, if you have a lack of sleep, and if you have lots of water retention in general, whether it's genetically or from something else, then you're going to get puffiness under your eyes. I do apologize. There's a bus that's trying to maneuver, and I really feel bad for the driver, but they're trying to maneuver. I want to make sure they're not going to hit my truck. I'm sure they're a great driver. I've seen this bus many different times. She seems like a great driver, but I'm just constantly looking back, just so you know. It's just an instinct kind of thing. So essentially, you want to pull that blood flow away from the center of your eyes, like that. Okay, nice and slowly, you want to pull the blood flow away, okay? The third thing that you want to do is you can press and release under each of the eyes. So instead of holding it there, you can just go like this, press and release. And what this is going to do is that's going to loosen up all the liquid under there and get it ready to move. Now, I have 4 young kids, so, sleep for me is a luxury. I'm kidding. I probably get enough sleep, but I don't get like a ton of sleep. So, taking care of the bags under my eyes is something that I have to do on a regular basis. I ended up getting this under eye stone for my wife as part of a whole facial care kit for something. I can't remember whether it was for Valentine's Day or birthday, anniversary, something like that, Christmas, whatever the case is. But essentially, I end up using it just as much as she does, because it really helps me get rid of the bags under my eyes. Believe it or not, I sleep about 5 to 6 hours a night, and I don't look too bad considering I get that much sleep. And this is one of the key factors that helps me do that. Obviously, look, you can see that there is a little bit of puffiness under there, but it would be far worse if I was not using this and a facial roller as well I use. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.